For over 2 decades, Inspired Energy has provided global original equipment manufacturers with portable power solutions to meet their electrical needs. With every storm, Inspired Energy received thousands of outage-related tickets. However, the team's ticketing system wasn't equipped to handle the volume. When IT specialist Brandon Way realized the team's ticketing system was impacting their SLA compliance rate, he knew it was time to find a more scalable solution. When searching an energy utility forum on LinkedIn, a team member found BoldDesk recommended. Inspired Energy integrated BoldDesk with their GIS outage map and metering system. Now, they respond to billing, service, and outage requests faster than ever before. With BoldDesk's automated ticketing workflows, Inspired Energy was able to assign priority levels to tickets and bring visibility to more urgent requests. In doing so, Inspired Energy significantly improved its response time, which enabled the team to handle thousands more requests, improving their SLA compliance rate without recruiting additional staff members. Are you also looking for a scalable Helpdesk tool to boost your SLA compliance rate? Join Inspired Energy and try BoldDesk today.